Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Text Domain. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do all the arithmetic operations in C language. So let's get started. The first step is to change the header files. Then let's write int abs. Here, int is a data type which accepts the integer values. A, B, S are the variables which stores the data given by the user, and S is the result for the sum of two numbers A and B. And then let's write printf. Here, let's write enter two numbers. And don't forget to keep the semicolon at the last. Then let's write scanf. Scanf. This command is used to take input from the user and inserts it into a variable. Here we should write %d. %d. It is the format specifier of a particular variable. And ampersand a, comma, ampersand b. Ampersand and the name of the variable helps to call the variable to display in the program. Here we will write %d and ampersand so that we will assign the integer values to the variables a and b. And here we will write the equation s is equals to a plus b. Let's write printf again. Here we will tell the user the result in a proper statement. And don't forget to write the getch. Let's click on build. It says 0 errors and 0 warnings. So let's run the program. Let's take some examples like 2 and 3. See, the sum is 5. Let's write int a, b, d. D is the variable to define the difference of the two numbers a and b. So let's write printf. Enter two numbers. Scanf. As I previously explained about scanf, I'm going to continue. So let's write the equation for difference of the two numbers. Now let's again write the printf. Let's write the final statement. Don't forget to write the getch and close the brackets. Let's build the program. It said 0 errors and 0 warnings. So let's run the program. Let's take the numbers 6 and 3. The difference is 3. So let's write int a, b, p. P is for product. And enter printf. Let's write scanf. Let's try the equation. And let's again write the printf. Get ch. Let's build the program. Zero errors and 0 warnings. So let's run the program. Two numbers. Let's write 10 and 8. And the product is 80. So let's write int a, b, and this time it's q to find the quotient. Printf, enter two numbers, and scanf %d ampersand a and ampersand b. Let's write the equation. Q is equals to a by b, semicolon, printf, the quotient is %d, comma, q, and let's write get ch. Build the program. No errors and no warnings. So let's run it. Let's write 110. The quotient is 10. As previously said, so let's write int a, b, r. Let's try the printf. Let's try scanf. Here let's try the equation. To find the remainder, we have to write r is equals to a modulus b. To find the remainder, we have to write r is equals to a modulus b. And let's write printf. The remainder is %d and r. Get ch. Build the program. And then run the program. Let's write 10 and 5. The remainder is 0. If you get any doubts while doing the program, enter your doubt in the comment section and we will try to clarify it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Text Domain, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notifications about our every upload.